Kotlin and WebAssembly are revolutionizing the world of software development. Imagine being able to write high-performance code in Kotlin and running it in web browsers or other environments that support WebAssembly. This game-changing technology is now a reality, thanks to the Kotlin Wasm compiler. According to a 2022 survey by JetBrains, 85% of Kotlin developers are interested in using Kotlin for web development. For years, developers have been searching for ways to improve the performance of their web applications. One major bottleneck has been the limitations of JavaScript, which despite its ubiquity, can be slow and inefficient for complex computations. WebAssembly, or WASM, was created to address this issue, offering a binary format that can be executed by web browsers and other environments at near-native speeds. Kotlin, a modern programming language developed by JetBrains, has gained popularity for its concise syntax, safety features, and interoperability with Java. By compiling Kotlin code into WebAssembly, developers can leverage the strengths of both technologies, the expressiveness and safety of Kotlin, and the performance of WebAssembly. The Kotlin Wasm compiler is a remarkable tool that enables developers to write Kotlin code and compile it into WebAssembly modules. These modules can then be executed by web browsers or other Wasm runtimes, such as Node.js or standalone Wasm engines. This opens up exciting possibilities for building high-performance web applications, as well as for migrating existing Kotlin applications to the web. One of the key benefits of using Kotlin Wasm is the potential for improved performance. By compiling Kotlin code into WebAssembly, developers can achieve significant speedups compared to running JavaScript code. This is particularly important for applications that require complex computations, such as scientific simulations, data analysis, or machine learning. Another advantage of Kotlin Wasm is the ability to reuse existing Kotlin code. Developers can take advantage of the vast ecosystem of Kotlin libraries and frameworks and compile them into WebAssembly modules. This means that Kotlin developers can focus on writing high-quality code without worrying about the intricacies of WebAssembly. The Kotlin Wasm compiler also provides a range of tools and features to make development easier. For example, developers can use the Wasm target in their build, Gradle files to compile their Kotlin code into WebAssembly. The compiler also provides a range of configuration options, allowing developers to fine-tune their compilation process. In addition to its technical benefits, Kotlin Wasm has significant implications for the future of software development. As the web continues to evolve, we can expect to see more complex applications being built, and Kotlin Wasm is well positioned to play a major role in this process. As noted by the WebAssembly Working Group, WebAssembly is designed to be a platform-agnostic binary format, making it an ideal choice for cross-platform development. The potential applications of Kotlin Wasm are vast. For example, developers can use Kotlin Wasm to build high-performance web applications for industries such as finance, healthcare, or scientific research. They can also use Kotlin Wasm to create web-based interfaces for existing Kotlin applications, or to build new applications that leverage the strengths of both Kotlin and WebAssembly. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more developers adopting Kotlin Wasm for their projects. With its unique combination of performance, safety, and expressiveness, Kotlin Wasm is poised to become a major player in the world of software development. In conclusion, Kotlin Wasm is a game-changing technology that enables developers to compile Kotlin code into WebAssembly format. With its potential for improved performance, reuse of existing code, and range of tools and features, Kotlin Wasm is an exciting development for the world of software development. Subscribe for more programming insights and hit the like button.